Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Anna. If you're new here, I do makeup reviews, makeup tutorials, skincare, anything beauty related, I got you covered. Today we are talking about blush. We're talking about liquid blush and it's from Makeup Revolution. These are very intriguing to me. I actually have not tried them on yet and I'm really excited to do this with you. These are called their blush bombs. I have two shades. One is in Glam Orange and the other one is in Rose Lust. I know you can get Glam Orange on Ulta's website. If not, you can get this one, the other one, on their actual Makeup Revolution website. They have a US website and then they have one for the UK. If you're in the States, I will link the one down for the US with this specific color. I like to buy from their website because sometimes they run deals where it's like you buy two, you get one free. And also I've used Trend Mood's discount code and I save money. I don't remember how much. I don't know if it's 10% or 15%. I don't remember, but you can save. So, and then this one with the orangey color, I will link to Ulta. And really quick guys, just so you know, I'll always have the links down below. It's just a way for you to access them easier. I do get a small commission if you do go through those links. It's a huge help to my channel, so if you do that, I would greatly appreciate it. If not, no pressure. All right, liquid blushes. First of all, if you don't know me, I love blush a lot. Cream blush, powder blush, liquid blush, blush, any kind of blush. I like it. So, these are liquids. I don't know how pigmented they are, and let me tell you something about Makeup Revolution. Sometimes they are super pigmented. So I will proceed with caution. This one is called Rose Lust. It looks like a mauve-y color. That looks really beautiful. And then this one is called Glam Orange. Looks pretty bright. It does not smell bad. It just smells like makeup. Soft. Sometimes Makeup Revolution has a tendency to put like sweet, fruity fragrance in their makeup and I don't like it. Alright, so again, Rose Lust, Glam Orange, and let's... Oh, yes. Blends out really nice. It seems like a little bit goes a long way. Let's try this Glam one. This Glam Orange one. So it looks like Glam Orange is slightly more sheer than the Rose Lust. Now, I don't know if these are as pigmented, say, as the Rare Beauty ones, but I will, like I said, proceed with caution. So I guess what we'll do is we'll put one on one cheek, one on the other cheek, and then I will blend them out later, in the end. Let's get my hair out of my face. Gonna take this one. I don't like dotting it to my face because it can be tricky, and if the formula dries quick, I'm stuck. So I'm actually gonna take some to the palm of my hand and work off my hand like a little palette. Seems pretty pigmented like I suspected, but it feels pretty easy to blend out actually. Rose Lust definitely has nice color. You just tap it out and you can blend out those edges. Really, really nice. Oh my goodness. That's gorgeous. Take a little bit more. That's really beautiful. They have like a pinky color too, like a bright, like Barbie pink kind of color. That's beautiful. Very easy to use. And it seems like I still have playtime. I'm just going to go in with a brush and just go around the edges. I believe these retail for about $9 each or something like that. That's beautiful. Alright. Just going to wipe this off. Close this up so I don't drop it. Next is Glam Orange. I feel like this is going to be brighter. Even though it was more sheer, I definitely feel like it's going to be like in your face. It's a very like hydrating feeling. Yeah, this one's definitely brighter. So it's bright, but there's still kind of like sheer. It's not like a super full coverage like the Rare Beauty ones. These, I feel like I put it on, I'm gonna blend it out, and I can still see like my cheek through the blush. Yeah, it's like a nice like tinted blush with more color. That's pretty. This is definitely more natural than like this one. This one I feel like I can see more even if I pull back. I want to share something cool with you guys. So, in a sense, wherever you're using a liquid blush or a cream blush and you put it on this part of your hand, go like this. I saw this. This is like a Korean beauty or Japanese beauty hack. I don't know who did it first. I just know that it's popular there, and we learned about it here in the States. Go like this, right? Because this is the perfect shape to fit your cheek. And if you just especially if you don't have a brush in hand, that like meaty part of your palm, it applies it perfectly and exactly on your cheeks where you need it to be. Isn't that cool? It's like balanced, even. Obviously this side has a little bit more of this, so I will quickly even myself out. But it is a very cool way to just quickly apply blush perfectly to the apples of your cheek. Let me just blend this out. Very, very nice. So what I can tell you is it's lightweight. It does dry down. It's not like tacky or anything on my cheek, but it gives a nice glow to the cheek. The blush color to me kind of reminds me of like if you've ever painted with like watercolors. It looks bright, but when you go to apply it, you can still see through it. So it's not opaque. It's kind of like, it's kind of sheer, but it's got the tint to it, which is really beautiful. So these are really pretty. And these two colors, I believe that will work with a lot of skin tones. They do have brighter colors. I kind of shied away from it because I had to see it in person. There's like these really pretty pink colors, and if it's too much blue, it's gonna look funny on me. But they do have quite a few colors in this. Super easy to use. Do not be intimidated. I know it's a liquid blush, but it's actually very easy to use, and you have time to play around with it so it doesn't dry down immediately. If you need to just adjust something, it's not going to be like boom, stuck, and that's it. So very nice. I like it. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you found it helpful, and if you ever have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them down below. I'll see you in my next one. Bye.